Hi guys, welcome to more SCC Math. Today we're going to be doing subtraction. So first, as always, I'm going to write my name on my paper so we don't lose it. And I'm going to read the directions. So you can read along with me. It says, touch the top number, say its name, and count backwards on the touch points of the bottom number. Write the answer and say the problem and answer quietly. Then cross out the number of objects you are subtracting and count the remaining objects to check your answer. So we're going to be doing subtraction, and we're also going to have a visual here to check our work with. So like the instructions said, we're going to touch the top number and say what it is. This is the number 9. And then we're going to count backwards. Now this can be tricky. So what I want you to do on your papers at home when you try doing this work is go ahead and make a number line. Let's see, we're going up to 12. So we'll make a number line starting at 12. And we're going to count backwards all the way to 0. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. And if it's hard to count backwards, you can just start at 0 and just write your numbers up until you get to 12, which is the biggest number out of these 4 problems. So that's why I put the 12 there. So let's start at 9. So we say 9. And then we're going to count backwards from 9 using the touch points of the bottom number. So let me show you. It's 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And that's where we end. So we know 9 minus 4 is 5. But we're going to come over here and we're going to check our work. So first, let's count all the birds together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 birds. And we crossed out 1, 2, 3, 4 of the birds because we're subtracting 4. So now we're only going to count the birds we have left, the ones we did not cross out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 birds left, and our answer was 5. Good job. Let's do this problem right here. Remember, we have our number line that we can always reference. So it's 10 minus 4. So remember, we're going to start with the number 10, and we're going to count backwards with each touch point we touch. So 10, we can start over here, keep one finger on the number line if you need to, and then we're going to count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Counting backwards on each touch point gave us the number 6. So now we're going to come over here and we're going to check our work. So let's count all the bunnies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bunnies. We subtracted 4, so we're going to draw X's over 4 of the bunnies. And then we're going to count what's left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 bunnies left. And that was our answer. Good job. We're going to work on these 2 problems, and then I'll show you problems that I want you to work on at home. And remember, we have our number line right up here, okay? So we have 11 minus 4. So remember, we're going to start at the top, 11, and we're going to count backwards on each touch point, okay? So 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So now we know 7, so we're going to write the answer here. And then we're going to check with our pictures. So let's count all of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 bunnies all together. And we're gonna subtract, take away 4. So we're just gonna put X's on 4 of the bunnies. And then we're just gonna count how many bunnies we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 bunnies, and that matches our answer. Good job. All right, one more. And remember, I have the number line right here. So you have 12 minus 4. So let's start at 12. And let's count backwards with each touch point. 12, 1, 11, 10, 9, 8. So we have the number 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. So let's go over here to the picture and check our work. Let's count all the little ducks that are there in that picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we're going to subtract, take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to count how many ducks we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 ducks left, and that's the number we got. So we did really, really good. So now I want you to work on these 4 problems at home. So I know you guys don't have this worksheet, but what you can always do is grab a piece of paper and write down your problem. Oops, it's minus. See, look, if you mess up, you can erase it, or you can just start over. No problem. 5 minus 4, this can give you practice on putting your touch points on as well. Remember, you usually only put touch points on the smaller number. And let me give you another view of your problems. Feel free to pause the video so you can work on them at home. Use these visuals to check your work. And I'll see you guys on the next SCC Math video. Bye!